Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, this is the concealed carry belt clip from Amazon for your Ruger LCP. It's $18. It's very easy to install. It comes with all the tools that you need. They give you a little thing here on how to do it, but this pin here that holds the frame in right here, you push this pin out, they give you a longer pin with a threaded bolt that threads into the inside. There's a hole in the inside and the little bolt here screws right into it. Again, this is the concealed carry belt clip. Very easy to conceal your 380. One thing that's really good about it is you can order it to be on the left side or the right side of your 380. It comes either or. And let me see if I can show you, but it's very easy to put on your pants. These are sweatpants, but you get the idea. You can see it fits very easy to conceal. Very simple. It literally takes, honestly, 2 minutes to put the belt clip on your gun. It's very strong and durable. Doesn't feel like it's made cheap. It's got a nice pop to it. So it does touch the gun, as you can see right here. So it's not one of them cheap, flimsy ones. This one's made very good. And again, it's only $18. And again, it can go to the left side or the right side of your 380. It gives you a little Allen key here. You screw this little screw in, and it's very tight. And it molds right around the corner here of your 380 very nicely, as you can see. So again, this is a great option. I have heard a lot of guys complain about surface rust on their Rugers. I haven't had that problem yet. I try to have an undershirt on or on my underwear themselves, but if that's an issue for you, surface rust, I made this cheap pocket holster. You can check the video out, it's on my channel. This is made out of an eyeglass case. You can use the belt, one with the belt clip on there or one without, if you're worried about surface rust. But again, like I said, this clip it's very strong. It's not cheap and flimsy like some of the other ones are. And you can even put it right over the eyeglass case, and now you got two clips on your belt to be secure. But again, it's very easy to install. So if you've been thinking about getting one of these clips, they have them for other LCPs too. This is a regular LCP, but they do have one, I think, for the Max or the LCP2, I think. But again, it's a nice clip. If you're looking for a nice concealed holster, a nice concealed belt clip, again, $18.99 on Amazon, guys. You can't beat it. And if you haven't checked out my video on this cheap pocket holster, literally $1.99 eyeglass case turned into a holster, check out that video too, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again soon. Have a great day, everybody.